Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to stop showing personal results in search on Gmail. Follow these simple steps to disable this feature. Step 1. Open your Gmail account and sign in. Step 2. Click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the page to access the Gmail settings. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings page, navigate to the Search tab. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Private Results section. Step 6. Under Private Results, you will see the option Don't Show Personalized Results. Check the box next to it. Step 7. Scroll further down and click on the Save Changes button to apply the settings. Step 8. Once saved, personal results will no longer appear in your Gmail search. And that's it. You have successfully stopped showing personal results in search on Gmail. This will ensure that your search results are not influenced by your personal preferences or history. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching.